With a production capacity of 450,000 vehicles each year, our plant in South Carolina is the largest in our global production network. There, we provide more than 11,000 American jobs and produce more than 1,500 vehicles every day. Today, we'll show you 8 incredible vehicles, including 4 world premieres and a thrilling motorcycle concept I'm sure you're going to love. The BMW X5 M and X6 M. Fresh from the production line at Plant Spartanburg, these are the newest members of our M family. The 3rd generation of our BMW M Sports Activity vehicle and coupe will be available for the first time with both a 600 horsepower standard model and a 617 horsepower competition model. The US is the biggest market for the BMW M brand, and California is the biggest market within the US for BMW M.